Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So I'm going to do a day of filming today, at least several hours. First up, I've got an unboxing for you guys. I want to show you guys a purchase that I made. This one's going to go into the same build for my daughter as the motherboard that I promised a video on. I'm going to be doing that video stuff as well today, so it's just going to be a little bit later. But here to go ahead and get this one out of the way. This kit runs about $30 to $35. It's a DR12 3-in-1. It's 3-fan kit from a company called Aigo, or Aigo, A-I-G-O. They're a lower end brand. Haven't used them before, but it seems to be a pretty decent one. It seems to look kind of like the thermal tape ring fans. Inside you get the controller unit, which can run 8 fans, and it looks like up to 4 LED strips. So it's a pretty cool little device, and it's got the cables there, got the directions or inside stuff, got a little controller so that you've got a remote to it, and then you've got the fans themselves. Now this particular kit is the 3-in-1. It's got 3 little packets of screws as well. So these are the fans. It's got the ring of LEDs on both sides, and it even has the little rubber sound dampening pads, so they should be really good as far as sound. They're supposed to be a little bit weaker of a fan compared to some of the other brands. As far as CFM, which is the airflow, they're a little bit weaker, but the reason for that is quiet. It gives you a quieter run because of that lower power behind it. So overall, it looks like a pretty cool little unit. Looks nice, feels sturdy in the hands. I think it's going to hold up really well. And the fan blades look really nice. So I will definitely be installing these in my daughter's build that I'm doing. And I will show pictures when it's done of it running. And that way you guys can see how it looks after it's done. But I bought these so that she'd have her RGB fans. And I'm going to put them into a case that I've got laying around, and that way we can go ahead and get her machine running. The next video that I'm going to be filming today will be the swapping out of the CPU for her motherboard. And that is going to be the one that I promised in the last video. I may put it up before this one. So just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. Hope you guys had a great holiday, and remember, like, subscribe, leave comments. Comments are always wanted. Hope you guys had a great day. See you next video.